Hello everyone, this is KS for General Graphics channel, and now I want to make advertisement about aeroplane travel agencies or visual effects shot scenes. So let's start our lesson. Go to After Effects and create a new composition, and then name it about aeroplane. So create a new solid 3D model, then go to effects, video copilot, element, then go to scene setup. You must install the package of JetStrike. This is JetStrike package, and this is a lot of airplane. So select one of them. Okay, you can control the textures by Photoshop. This is the body and this is the textures. Select, and then which one is the main texture. This is the diffuse texture. Add texture. So right click, what is the name on texture? America. Search America texture, which is write it on the plane texture. Yeah, this one. Right click on this texture, then open with Photoshop, close this and click cancel this. Change the light 360, then press OK. Okay, edit texture in Adobe Photoshop. Change the title from America to General Graphics. Right first, General Graphics. So change the title to Aerial this is Aerial, and change to bold, and okay, press apply and change the color. Ctrl T, scale down the size, and then right click horizontal, then right click vertical, move the texture there, press apply. Turn off title layer and select the background layer and erase by spot heading brush. Okay, the easy way, select texture from there and Ctrl J, move the texture there. So there is another place about America texture changes. Press Alt for copy and Ctrl T, horizontal then vertical. Press apply and select the texture layer again, and there is the layer of texture. Press Alt, press Ctrl T, right click vertical, press apply. Okay, move the graphics there and select the texture, edit a little bit like this. Okay, press Ctrl S for save. File, save a copy, JPEG, save. Okay, Then go back to After Effects and Scene Setup and change the texture, diffuse. Look, which one is General Graphics texture? This is America. And what about this? Right click, this is copy save, press open, okay, 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 and create a new camera 24. So close this layer and control your plane, select 3D model and particle look, change the size, General Graphics texture. Okay, after this you must create 360 sky, like a VR sky. Right click, import file, then workstation, animation projects, skies, HDRI, okay, 4K JPEG. Which one is good? This one. Select this one and turn off import JPEG sequence, press import and drop your layer to composition and right click new solid, name it horizon, press OK, then go to effects and create horizon effect, then go to horizon parameters, image map, select layer, sky mirror, and then go to camera and camera setting, change to 15 millimeter. You can control the plan like this. So select the plan and go back to group, and go to replicator and rotation. This is about rotation and this is about plan control. Control Z. Okay, and now right click, solid, particular for what? For creating clouds. Select particular and then go to emitter, change it to box, play, this is particular, and go to emitter size, individual emitter size, shift and change the emitter Y to 0 and go back to particles and select the particle cloudlet, then change the size 100 and this is about opacity, random opacity, and then change the opacity down and change the cloudlet feather 100 and change the size like this. Okay, we need in two colors the clouds. Go to color random, there is we have about colors, where is the colors control? There, random gradients, so select the grayscale and white colors like this and change the black color a little bit bright. So down the particles of the model layer and you can control the plane with the clouds. Okay, need more control about clouds. This is the opacity and change the size of opacity down like this. So right click, new solid, name it sun and go to effects, create no light factory and then go back to effects and there is another effect about optical glow. Change the light color orange, change the inner tint to yellow, then change the mode to add and move the light 3D model and select the no light factory label, move the sunlight there. Okay, select 3D model of airplane and go to render setting, lighting, change 360. And now time to change environment. Which environment is better? I think this one is good, or this one. Press OK and then press OK like this. So change the brightness rate like this, and you can control the plane, tires, engines like this. Go to parameters, aircraft rig, this is turbine, this is about landing gear, rudders. Okay, and now I want to make a motion. This is the plane Z position, and right click for controlling your camera, null object, and parent your camera to null object. Check null object, turn on 3D switch, and there is about null object controls. Okay, press R for rotation and press Ctrl for slowing control your camera scene. And now select 3D model and turn on the Z positions and go back to 3 seconds and change it to 0. So after this time, turn on the Y rotation about null object, go back to 5 seconds and press Ctrl then select again your 3D model and move your plane like this. Okay, render, turn on all motion blur and render again. So stop the renders and play again. Okay, control the camera keyframe, press U, yeah, that's good, and change the sun point position there, and then right click, new, adjustment layer for creating about height. This is height wave, so solo this layer and solo this horizon layer, play. This is about height wave, and change the point of height wave and intensity. Change it to blurred. That is good, and this is the amount of blur. Okay, And now right click on adjustment layer. You can make a pre-compose for masking, and you can mask without pre-compose. Where is your plane position in frame? Your plane is coming at this frame from there, so you must create a mask from there, and then press M for feathering, like this. This is about feather. And now select your mask path and turn on a stopwatch. Move your mask path there. Change the keyframe position and move the plane, and move your mask path behind of plane, like there. Select mask path and move it all. Okay, test. Where is the plane? Yeah, that's good. So test again. The endpoint is 6 second 15 frame. So this is about final render. And the sound effect is your homework. Thank you for watching. See you next time.